Hi. You know when somebody tells you to sneeze into your elbow? Well, that's actually impossible. Really. Go ahead, try it. What they're really asking you to do is to sneeze into the other side of your elbow, which is called the antecubital fossa. Like so. So next time you want to correct your children or a total stranger about where to sneeze, be sure you get it right.